Alarm? I don't need no stinking alarm. I've got one. I've got this one right now. Woke me up 5:48, which is only 3 minutes past when I usually wake up. There you go. Yeah. This week I have Thursday off. Russ has off today. I guess it's some federal holiday or something. Yesterday was Veterans Day. And so maybe they gave him today off, the day after a federal holiday. And, yeah. That's all I got to say about that. I'm gonna feed the tortoise, and I'm gonna go pee myself. And then I'm gonna... Oh, JJ needs more water. So, I'm gonna do some stuff. And then I gotta go to work at 7:25. So that's all I got to say right now. Alright, bye. Good morning. It's 11:25. My phone was upstairs because Russ wanted to borrow it. And instead of bringing it down to me when he was done, he just put it back in my charger. So I didn't record earlier because of that. No big deal. I'm a little out of breath because I ran upstairs. I ran downstairs really quick because I wanted to get my phone before I had to go back to work. And now I have to go back to work. But luckily, I'm off the phones right now. So hopefully the phone line doesn't pick up too much because I don't want to get back on the phones. I just wanted to written. That's all. Just wanted to written and chill. Okay, talk to you later. Like 4:30? Yep, but 4:29. So, I wanted to report the outcome of the dishwasher situation when I did the vinegar and followed it up with the baking soda. So, it's very clean. I did a load of wash as well. It looks so much cleaner than before. And it doesn't stink. You get that sulfur smell sometimes from your dishwasher. You do your vinegar and your baking soda, and it's great. It works really well. Yeah, so I recommend if you have a dishwasher that stinks, do an empty load of vinegar, cup of vinegar at the top, and then do an empty load of baking soda afterwards. It works quite well. I'm just trying to find something to snack on. We don't really have anything anymore. We have stuff to prepare meals, but we don't have just snack foods. I don't have a Jell-O or anything like that left. So, I guess I'll just go snackless. Almost forgot my water. I'll go snackless. Dark. Yeah, I'll just go snackless this afternoon. And then I'll figure something out for supper. So I'm going to head back to my desk and complete my work. Okay. Oh, I left a message with a beneficiary, patient, whatever you want to call them, that I needed more information to update your other health insurance. Well, I told him to call the 800 number, and instead of doing that, he called my direct line. Okay, see, I understand the automated systems can be very frustrating, especially if they're not working properly or you feel like you're getting thrown around in a circle or whatever. Here's the thing. You need to have patience with those automated systems. Not all of them, but a lot of them. We just redid our automated system because we know we were having issues with it. He didn't even try it. So, I don't know why. I don't know why he did that, but hopefully he didn't save my number. Because if he calls back, I'm going to have to tell him to go through the automated system. But anyways, listen to the automated system and choose the options that best suit your needs. And if it's like update an address or something, then you can get to a beneficiary. This is how TRICARE's automated system, TRICARE for Life's automated system works this way. You have to listen to the first menu with the general information stuff where it says ask for like sponsor number and some kind of stuff that you want, go, stop it. Sponsor number, general information stuff. You have to do that. Fill out that stuff on the automated. Either tell them or punch it in, whatever. After that, if you're a beneficiary, you can then say agent, operator, or press 0. Okay? It's really not hard. Just have patience. Okay? Thank you. A clean lens. JJ, are you hungry? You are. Yes, yes. Oh, should we go eat? You want food? Yes. All right, let's go get some food, JJ. You want this food? That right there. Food. I'm getting it. Here's the food. You want this food? Yeah. Take you to the. Sit. Stay. Stay. Eat. Oh, yeah. So now it's after 6 o'clock. It is 6:03. Woo woo. Seems like every time I just clean something off, it gets dirty again. Something gets put on it, doesn't get put away. I don't even know. I can't keep anything clean these days. Oh, this one. We got the hall light on. Russ actually put a light bulb in there. Glad he did it. I'm not tall enough to do it. Even with the ladder. With the ladder, not tall enough. So look. Hi, kitty. Here. Oh, look. Dark, light, dark, light. Well, what do you think, kitty? You don't care. Why should she? I gotta pee. Kitty! Did I scare you, kitty? Kitty. Meow, kitty, meow. Oh, I'm so glad we have the light now. Meow. Ooh. Kitty, you have food and water. Oh, you don't run away as much anymore, so that's nice. I'm just laying down. Calm down. Kitty. Oh, I can't lay down. Kitty. Oh, I think there's a lid on that. I haven't played in a while. Are you gonna play? Probably not. Alright. So being upstairs was boring. I don't want to be upstairs. I want to do something else. I think I'm gonna make myself a cheese quesadilla. Just a little mini one. I still have chicken lunch meat. So I'm gonna make a chicken and cheese quesadilla. So it's just, I've got a few of slices of, like 4 slices of, you know, chicken meat. I got 2 small tortilla things that fit perfectly, just right in the bottom. See, fit perfectly there. So I'm gonna layer that up. Chicken, cheese, chicken, tortilla. Chicken, cheese, chicken, tortilla. That's how I like to do it. So I need 2 hands to do it, so I'll talk to you later. Ta-da! I did it perfectly. And I can even cut it up. I flipped it over. It's not even burnt. I'll show you. Look. Even the bottom. Not burnt at all. It's cheesy. It'll be so yummy. Yeah. And now I'm gonna finish the dishes and eat my food. Okay? Oh, there it is. I left my water on the floor here. Okay. Time to go to bed. Gotta wake up really early tomorrow. I told Russ. Oh, kitty. I told Russ to pick up some taco cheese. Or some cheeses. Some of it, some brands call it Mexican cheese. But it's not really Mexican cheese. It's tacos. It's cheese with taco seasoning on it. In any case, I had a glass of wine along with my quesadilla. That was very, very delicious. And I can tell that alcohol runs through your system quicker after that type of surgery. I knew it would, but I didn't think it would be this quick. So I'm going to go to bed. Yeah, and I'm going to go to sleep. Because that's what you do in the bed. You go to sleep. And that's that. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night. Toodles.